Hey everyone, Michelle here, and today I'm going to show you how to install your handlebar on the Skoot tricycle. So when you take it out of the packaging, this will be separate, the handlebar, and the screw will be in with the nut on the other side. I've already taken the nut off, so then you'll just pull that screw out. Then you're going to insert this pole down into the frame. And you're going to want to make sure that this fixed sleeve is down all the way, flush with this bottom. See, it's not flush yet. And I've got to get that down. There we go. Now you're going to want to put the handlebar down, and there's two heights. So there's two screw holes. You choose whichever height your little one needs. Then you're going to put the screw through. Okay. It's come out the other side. Then you're going to take the nut and just get it on there straight and hold it and press while you take your Allen wrench on the other side and tighten that up. Got to see which way to turn it. There we go. Nice and tight. Then when it's tight, you'll just push this cap over that goes over it down, and you have assembled your handlebars on your Skoot. Thanks for watching our video today. Give us a thumbs up, a like. We welcome any comments in the comment section or questions.